3 hours just to sit and eat a mango in front of some oil. Okay, alright, so you answered the FaceTime. Here's what's up. Today we're gonna go to a garden, right? Yeah, so we gotta go to this garden. However, it's like 2-3 hours away. And now the time is, let's shoot the time. 12:30, so we gotta get going now if we do want to get there and get back home in time. But I'm loving it so far. I'm loving the new content, just everything. You know, trying new things and doing it separately, doing it how I like. And I really appreciate everybody in the support. This is crazy, look at this. We need to find a metro map. I think we have to Grand Terminal. Look, I'm looking at, shoot, this is crazy, no? Okay, so it's 18, not 24, because I'm leaving now. Let me see. Approved, come on. Okay, do you want a receipt? Yes. Okay, look at this bad boy. I don't know what this means. You know, I should have bought a one-way and then a one-way back. I made a mistake. Oh my God, let's just wait and see. Okay, my train is at 2:20, but let me get you guys some views real quick so you guys can see how it looks. I must say, it is beautiful. But let me go up top real quick and show you guys how it looks. But just like in the movies. It's kind of mad. See if I can go all the way. You guys can see. Look at this. It's kind of crazy, no? So that's how it looks. But I spoke to someone, he said I just paid the difference on the train and I'm going to truck 40. And the train is at 2:20. Right now it's 1:53. So let's go. Now we head to truck 40. 37. We're going to truck 40. I'm gonna wait right here. Hey, come on. Sit right here. Wait, we're about to start moving, I think. Let me see. Where are we? Our next stop is on the 125th. Our next stop is on the 125th. Says it right there. On the 125th. Alright, man. The only thing I see I don't like is that there's no seatbelts. I feel like shit is. Oh, my days is moving. Look at this. Wait, is this my first vlog? I think is it my first vlog with myself? No. The ones in Barbados were my first one by myself, but this one now I'm actually like in New York by myself now. Nobody else in the video by myself. Let's start doing some more of these actually. This thing is going so fast. Look at this one. I'm gonna check it out. Look at this. Let me try and show you my phone. So we're zooming. It was like 125 minus 42 is what I'm not gonna do it that much. I think it's like 80 something, right? But like 80 something blocks, look how fast we are.
Tickets, please. Tickets.
Let me ask her. Excuse me. Excuse me, why does it I don't have a ticket? Why does it I don't have a ticket?
Get the bar.
Oh, okay. You don't get one, you gotta buy one. I thought it was like, oh, you gotta get one. This is cute. Look from both sides. See on the other side when you come back down. What the hell? Oh wait, you gotta see what I was seeing first. I was just talking to you guys. I just seen the train coming. It was just coming like right at wait, look. I was just talking to you guys and just to try the trails, I just seen it coming from right there. They have empty polices, like actual polices. It's kind of crazy. I seen two of them. So far we're at Riverdale now. We gotta go over there. I see, look. So I was trying to tell you, see? It's gonna get lie to you. There's two of them, see? That boy's not playing. But we gotta wait till the door closes and we get up and go. Let's move along. Let's see the back. This how the shoe. Oh, that's my fit.
This is the train to the next station.
Yeah, let's. Wait, let me show you guys something. The water is always moving around because the train is moving. But look at this. Look at this fossil. Let me show you. Yeah. Look at this. And then this is where the soap comes out. Let me go and go wash my bags. I'll be back to see them. Calm.
This is the train to the next station is Woodstock.
Next stop is our train station. I'm excited. Here now. In Greystone. And to be honest, it's a little walk. It's a little walk. Right. Okay, let's see now. 6-minute car drive. No, we're gonna walk. It's a 22-minute walk. Jesus, help me. Let's journey on this walk now. So now it's 3 o'clock. We're gonna walk for 22 minutes. We're gonna walk for 22 minutes to the area and let's see how it goes. Look at these houses. I wish I could explain it, but it smells really good over here. Like detergent, like laundry, like that type of good. Look at these houses. We're almost there. Going for a bunch of windy paths. It's kind of small. Look at this house right here. That's what I'm chatting about. Come on. Look at this. It's that family home right there. You can see we're up in the woods as well. Get used to it. We'll have to cross, right? Let's just cross the street from there. I'm sweating so badly. Look at this. There's so much sweat. I came so far, but I think this is it. Alright, let's go. Let's see what it's about. I'm really excited, honestly. Super duper excited. It says no dogs allowed, in case you're curious. It's the part of the journey. Is that water? Wait. Is that water? I swear I see water. Maybe I'm mistaken. Is that water? Oh, maybe I'm mistaken. Oh, wait. Oh my days. Oh my days. Look at this. Sense of relief. This is beautiful, honestly. Look at this tree. Wait, look at this tree. You think we're in a cartoon or something. Look at this. Come on, this is not mad. Oh my god, look at this dude. Like I'm going to a fire. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, wait, there's a terrace right there. Oh. I don't know. This has to be dye in this water. This color is this is dye. It has to be dye. Sorry, but look at this. Wait. It smells interesting. It smells like compost, like this. I mean, obviously, but it smells like a farm, like horse. But look at this. What? I wish I could show you my face while I walk over here so you can see both of them at the same time, innit? But, so we're gonna go to this little terrace area, yeah? And then we're gonna see like what it looks like. Look at this, it's like the Colosseum or something. Come on, wait. Say swear. It's kind of much, you know, look at this. Oh my days. Oh my days, look at this. Wait. Say swear. Nah, this is madness. Okay, let me see if I could. I need to. How do you take all of this in at the same time? It's kind of crazy, honestly. All of this. There's somebody in the middle here. I don't know who this is. I don't know what that is. But worth it. And it's free as well. You just gotta find your way here. That's what I'd say. Find your way here and you get it here. Once you get here, you're done. I'm sorry. I don't want to be in the pictures. They're taking a lot of pictures. But let me start taking some as well. Let's finish our tour so we don't miss nothing. It says the vista is this way. Let's see what exactly the vista is. Come on, look at this. Look at this, fam. I think, you know what I think it is? I think it's these trees. Look how they look. Look at these trees. They all, like, the sun go down. And then like this is swirly part as well. Yeah, we gotta explain Looks the woods over there. Let's go experience the entire thing. What the hell? Come on. Have you seen this? This is the... It's gotten a bit cooler now. Stay connected after you're gone. My days! Can you just take it all in? This lead up is glorious. Beautiful, honestly. Let me see if I can get a fit. I don't know what that is, but bros. Yeah, I don't know what that is. It's interesting. Let's just go back over here. I seen it, I was just like, wait, what is that? You went into the hole. So let's just avoid it. He's avoiding us, let's avoid it. So he's still alive. Let's keep going. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. Just the other side. That's down below. That's how it looks. But if we look back up top, that's how back up top look. I'm gonna try to see if I can turn it around for a second so you guys can see. Slowly turn it around, but look. Beautiful. It's honestly beautiful. And then there's a bunch of bugs here. Nobody's gonna talk about this, but look at this. If you're scared of insects, just be wary. There's even flies as well. They're interesting. Like, they're everywhere. Look, look. I swear to you, they're everywhere. Every single way. Ugh. So we're gonna find the Temple of Love. The garden is right there. Let's go find the temple. I don't know where I'm walking to or what to expect, but let's just keep going. Out of 10, visually beautiful. 10 out of 10. And then you would have these nature parts as well where you're just walking. Do you get what I'm saying? So this makes it like a lot better. Like, if you're looking for this type of thing, this is here as well. But then you have those like aesthetic photos that you could take back up top. This is beautiful. That's what life's about, exploring. Trying new things, finding yourself. Look at this. Wait, let me try and get it. Oh my days, look at this. This is incredible. This is so incredible. You know, come let me chat to you while we sit here in front of this waterfall, the mini waterfall. I just want to say I'm grateful, honestly, for everything. Ever since I've made that video, you know, like, things have been different, like a lot different. Like, I'm so much more happier, like, you know, like trying to find myself, doing new things. And I love life. I love life. I love God. I love my family. I love everything. I'm so appreciative. There's no bad hate. There's nothing to be unappreciative of, ever. Like, life is just so beautiful. It's really what you made it. I could be home now playing FIFA. Quickly. First play eggs and eggs. Or I could go out and have fun and create memories like these. And when I sit back and I look back on these videos that I made, you know what I'm saying? Like, I've made them for myself now. That's why I started doing making videos for myself. And then, you know, like, looking back at them, enjoying them, showing them to my friends, my family, my kids. And then if you guys want to tag along and watch it too, which, you know, you guys are family as well, then so be it. But that's why I made it. Not to be selfish for nothing, but yeah, I made it for myself and I could appreciate it. And if you guys do as well, that's perfect. But it was never for fame or money or nothing like that. It was just so I could show my authentic reaction to experiencing new things as I grow. And you know, like, step outside of my comfort zone. This is definitely not something I do ever. And now I'm starting to do something like that. It's beautiful. I love it. And I love you guys so much. So yeah, thank you again. I appreciate it. Let's go up top and see what it looks like, and then let's just go have a fruit. Maybe I should have like had this conversation after I had my fruit. Wait, let me show you. There's a walk, right? Oh God, I'm not big. If I was big, I couldn't fit through here. I can't, I'm actually big. Look at it. It's extremely tight. Yeah, I'm too big for right now. So I'm like 6'4", 200 pounds. What'd you expect? Okay, we got more stairs. Jesus, stairs. When you think it doesn't get no more prettier, look at this. Look at this. The Temple of Love, restored through the generosity of Angelo Martinelli, Mayor of Yonkers, 1974 to 79, 1982 to 87. In memory of Carol Martinelli, his wife of 65 years, 2016. That's beautiful. It's extremely beautiful, and it's worth it. I recommend it to everyone to come try it for sure. Now, I love to have a fruit up here, but I don't want to be selfish. I know everybody's waiting to get their turn. There's nobody here right now, but they're just waiting for you to get down. They're about to come up now. So I won't eat a fruit up here. I'll go down and have my fruit, but I'm very appreciative once more, guys. Thank you so much. And I'm just gonna sit up here for a minute and just take it over and I'll chat to you. All right? Safety. If you look, that's the money that they dropped in here. Look here as well. Damn. That's a lot of money. Well, not really. Maybe like, it's not more than $20. I can't be more than $20. But I do want to sit back down here. I want to sit back down there and have my fruit. Alright, so let's fast forward. My eyes. It's kind of mad, no? Yeah, hold on, let me wash my face. Wash my face. There's sweat in my eyes. Okay, what's your favorite fruit? I don't have any, but if I had to pick like a nice fruit to have now, I'd say a mango. Oh my God, look at this. Yeah, this is worth it, honestly. I traveled 3,000. I traveled 3 hours just to sit and eat a mango in front of some wood. Seriously, it's worth it. But again, I'm very appreciative of this opportunity. Maybe if I didn't have YouTube, I wouldn't have stepped outside my comfort zone so much. But now that I have, I definitely will and continue to do so somewhere. I'm gonna finish this mango now, and I'm gonna try and make sure I find myself home safely. My phone is dying, my camera's dying as well. But all of it was worth the experience. Alright, so I'll chat to you all later. Safety, man.